Here's a little build plan I want to go over. A custom blaster I'm putting together based off the M4a1. Got a few performance upgrades going, but then also just a lot of custom pieces that I've 3D printed. Again, I'm trying to always mix it up, coming to you guys with some new designs I haven't shown you before, and really trying to take these different airsoft pieces I find easily, but then I have to kind of manipulate them to work with the gel ball blaster. So first off, let's talk about performance upgrades. So XFORCETAC USA, nice enough to send me some stuff. They sent me a lot of springs. So we put an M100 spring in here, all right? So spring replacement's really easy. I have other videos that show you how to do it, but all you need to do is take like a nice big flathead screwdriver right here, push this in, it just pushes in, turn it, that'll pop out with the spring. It's gonna pop out with a little bit of force, so be prepared. And then you'll take that old spring out, you'll just slide the new spring in, and then push this back in and turn it with a flathead screwdriver usually is what's easiest too if you've got a big flathead screwdriver. Sometimes pushing it back in can get a little tough because you got a bigger spring and you just have to kind of, firmly push it in and make sure it's lining up. It'll work out easy. So that's an awesome, easy upgrade to really increase performance of your blasters. Also, replacing the barrel is as well. I just don't have any extra barrels right now, and they seem to be in short supply from sellers right now too. So stayed with the stock inner plastic barrel, which, obviously it'd be nicer to have a metal one in there, but it hasn't made a huge difference in the different builds I've done in the past. So really the spring is the biggest difference, and then that 11.1 for the fast shooting. So that's what we got going for performance upgrades. Now you can see for color-wise, we went with kind of a slate gray, and then we're going to mix in some of the desert tan. So this is actually going to have a desert tan grip, which I don't have up here showing, but that's going to be with it. Little desert tan riser, a little front grip that's actually going to fit on here just perfect. And then you can see this is going to be the foregrip or outer barrel right here. All right, so definitely something different than I've shown before. I was able to find a piece that I can finally print that allows this to connect to your M4a1 without any modifications. So that just actually slides on and turns just like the factory one. So that's really cool. Went ahead here again with a little that kind of braces against the magwell, and it just looks kind of cool, especially with the short barrel, so you can use that magwell kind of as a grip, plus you have your little foregrip out here. All right, so that's what we got going there. Obviously there's a stabilizer that's all the way at the end in there, but then this piece, so I've got a nice metal barrel here, right? So this is a metal outer inner barrel, I guess you'd say. So then the plastic barrel is going to go through the middle there, and then it's going to come out the end where we've got a threaded tip. But this will actually just slide right in here, and then I'll be able to line it up and then secure this right here and right here, because these pieces are going to be right at the end there, and that's where I want to secure them into that piece, because that'll be nice and secure. So the threaded tip is just going to be right on the end there, and you'll be able to go ahead and put a tracer or any sort of fake suppressor on it. For the stock, this was just an add-on piece here, kind of takes that HK416C stock, adds some size to it, which allows the combination of a little bigger battery, and then it looks more like a little stock as well. I thought that looked nice with this blaster since it's a little shorter. I guess I'd call it CQB style. So yeah, so that's kind of the build plan. So check back, I'm excited to put it together. Of course, I've been testing it out through the whole build, and the FPS has been pretty impressive so far. So make sure you check back for that video where we demonstrate it and test the FPS so you can see how hard this one shoots. And of course, check out XFORCETAC USA for performance upgrades and other blasters. And please like, subscribe, share my channel with your friends, and make sure you participate in the monthly giveaways where I give away awesome custom gel ball blasters. Thanks.